Ever poured something into your car thinking it's the magic elixir that'll revive it? From potions that promise better mileage to those secret formulas claiming engine immortality, we've heard it all. But what if I told you, not everything you pour is gold, especially when it comes to fuel additives? With modern cars zipping around with 10% ethanol and complex gasoline direct injection systems, can that old bottle from the 70s still do the trick? Spoiler alert, Seafoam may not be the lifesaver for your brand new sedan as it was for Grandpa's outdoor motor. Hey gearheads and auto enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, the virtual pit stop for all car junkies. Whether you're all about the horsepower or just trying to make your old beater last another mile, you've parked at the right spot. Nostalgia on Wheels, a look back. The sweet symphony of carburetors and the delightful dance of distributor caps. Remember when adjusting the choke was a part of the morning routine, just like brewing your coffee? For more than 4 decades, the automotive world has shifted gears, quite literally. Fuel injection cleaning systems evolved from being simple mechanical units to advanced electronic systems. With the rise of technology, cars have become more efficient and reliable than ever before. Gone are the days of frequent breakdowns and constant tinkering under the hood. Today, we can't help but feel a sense of nostalgia for the simpler times when a car was more than just a mode of transportation, but a cherished companion on the road. Early additives might have been the secret sauce back in the day, but fast forward to today and some of them seem like a relic of a simpler time. Remember when folks believed in tune-ups every few thousand miles? Today, with onboard computers, cars often tell us what they need. Today's cars, not your grandpa's ride. Modern cars are not just about horsepower. They are essentially computers on wheels. With the integration of advanced sensors, the transition to electric fuel injection, and the controversial ethanol mix. These technological advancements have revolutionized the way cars operate and perform. Gone are the days of manual adjusting carburetors and relying on guesswork for optimal fuel efficiency. Instead, modern cars utilize precise data from sensors to deliver the perfect air-fuel mixture, resulting in improved performance and reduced emissions. Research has shown that ethanol, while being a more eco-friendly fuel option, can cause older engines to run hotter, potentially leading to damage. Moreover, gasoline direct injection systems found in many modern cars offer better fuel efficiency and more power. However, the dark side? The dreaded carbon buildup, which, if unchecked, can reduce engine life and performance. Seafoam, a legend in its own time. Seafoam, the holy grail of yesteryears. Born for 2-stroke outboard motor engines, this additive was the magic elixir that kept many old-timers running smoothly. But today's engines? They're like millennials, complex, efficient, and requiring a different kind of care. Modern engines, with their advanced technology and intricate components, demand a more sophisticated solution to combat carbon buildup. Fortunately, Seafoam has evolved alongside these engines, offering a specialized formula that effectively cleans and maintains their performance. With the increasing presence of ethanol in fuels, traditional additives might not cut it anymore. Remember, while Seafoam's pale oil and naphtha combination was excellent for old 2-stroke engines, many modern vehicles use 4-stroke engines. It's a bit like trying to play a vinyl record on a Spotify app. Alright, turbocharged thinkers, pop quiz. If you had to serenade your engine with a song from the 70s, which would it be? Stayin' Alive with Seafoam? Or Don't Stop Me Now with Gum Out? Drop your tune in the comments below. And now, back to the revving revelations. The savior of modern cars, Gum Out. Enter Gum Out, the modern-day elixir for today's cars. It's like upgrading from dial-up to fiber optic broadband. Packed with polyethylamine or PEA, it addresses the need of modern combustion engines. PEA, backed by research, has shown exceptional prowess in removing harmful deposits from fuel systems. Not only does Gum Out effectively clean fuel systems, but it also improves overall engine performance and fuel efficiency. Its advanced formula not only removes deposits but also prevents future buildup, ensuring a smoother and more reliable driving experience. Plus, with the rise in nitrogen-enriched fuels at gas stations, it's no surprise that additives harnessing the cleaning power of nitrogen compounds are leading the race. And let's not forget the added corrosion inhibitors. In an era where ethanol-induced corrosion is a real concern, these inhibitors are the unsung heroes, ensuring longevity. Seeing is believing. The Borscope Test. For those who stand by the "I'll believe it when I see it" mantra, we've got a visual treat. With the advancement in diagnostic tools, the Borscope lets us peek into the very heart of the engine. Gone are the days of relying solely on guesswork or dismantling parts for inspection. The Borscope allows mechanics to visually assess the condition of internal components without causing any damage. This not only saves time and money, but also provides concrete evidence of any issues that may need attention. Before and after using an additive, the differences can be as stark as night and day. With high-definition imagery and real-time feedback, it's no longer about believing, it's about understanding the science of clean. By utilizing a Borscope, mechanics can make informed decisions based on actual visual evidence, rather than relying solely on guesswork or assumptions. This level of precision and accuracy enhances the overall efficiency and effectiveness of maintenance procedures. Additionally, the ability to assess internal components without causing damage ensures that any necessary repairs or adjustments can be made promptly and accurately. Mystery Machine, the 2007 Toyota Corolla Tale. Every car has a story, and the 2007 Toyota Corolla had a mystery. For a model known for its reliability, this particular vehicle was showing signs of fatigue way before its time. Despite checks, replacements, and multiple diagnostic tests, it played hard to get. The mechanics were perplexed, as they couldn't pinpoint the root cause of the car's issues. However, with the advancements in technology, they were able to delve deeper into the car's systems and uncover the hidden mysteries behind its premature fatigue. But as with every good detective story, there's always a twist. The discovery of dirty fuel injectors might seem minor, but what is their role? Crucial. And the royal purple additive was the knight in shining armor with its advanced formula designed specifically for the intricate dance of modern combustion. With the fuel injectors cleaned and the royal purple additive added, the car's performance improved significantly. It became evident that these seemingly minor components played a vital role in maintaining the car's overall health and preventing premature fatigue. The combination of technology and specialized additives proved to be the ultimate solution to unraveling the mysteries behind the car's issues. The world of cars is vast, intricate, and ever-evolving. While it's essential to honor the classics, it's equally crucial to embrace the future. After all, on the road of life, it's not just about the journey, but ensuring the ride is smooth. Safe travels, and keep those engines purring. Well folks, we've turbocharged through myths, cruised past the past, and pulled into the pit stop of modern motor magic. If you've enjoyed this high-octane ride and don't want to miss out on more under-the-hood adventures, slam that subscribe button like you would the brakes on seeing a free gas sign. Here at Car Computer Exchange, we're always revving up to decode the automotive matrix for you. So, keep your engines running, seatbelts fastened, and stay tuned for more gear-grinding goodness. Remember, on the vast highway of the internet, make Car Computer Exchange your favorite pit stop. Subscribe now, and let's keep this engine of curiosity purring.